Hello everyone, welcome to the Cloud Pre-Migration Advisor Tool video series. In part 2, we will do a CPAT demo. Okay, let's do a quick demo of CPAT using Java command line tool, and for that I will log into the Oracle OCA console. Okay, I am in the OCA console and I have launched the Cloud Shell. If you are not sure about how to launch the Cloud Shell, you can go to the developer tools as you can see in the screen and go to the Cloud Shell, and it will launch a window like this, a terminal window like this. So this is from where we will execute the CPAT scripts. So for that, I have downloaded the CPAT and uploaded the zip file to this Cloud Shell and also unzipped it in the specific directory called CPAT. So we are all good to start with executing the CPAT. The first step is we will generate the target properties file. So for that, we will execute a command like this. So basically it says, okay, we need to get the target properties file, and we also specify the username to connect to the autonomous database and a connect string. And also if required, you can also specify an output file prefix so that the output generated will have a prefix that we have specified. So I have provided the admin user password. Now it has generated the properties file in the same directory where we are currently now, in the CPAT directory. So the first step is done. The next step is we want to run a CPAT against the source database. And in the same command, we will also provide the target properties file that we have just generated. Okay, so now we will give another command which will run the CPAT against the source. And we have specified the connect string. And we have specified that only one schema needs to be analyzed. And the target to which we are planning to migrate is ATP shared. And we are also providing the properties file which we just generated in the earlier step. And the report format will be in JSON as well as in HTML. And also provide the system user password. So the command execution has completed and it has generated the required outputs, which is our CPAT reports. So this is how easily you can generate a CPAT report from the Oracle Cloud Shell using independent Java command line tool. Okay, so we have done the first demo, and the second demo we will use SQL command line. For that, again, let us get back to the OCA console. Okay, I'm in the OCA console, and again I'm in the Oracle Cloud Shell. So in case you are using SQL command line, you don't have to separately download and unzip or install it on the Cloud Shell. It is by default, it is available in the Cloud Shell. So the first thing is we will get connected to the SQL command line. Okay, and then we will set the valid location for the autonomous database to which we are planning to connect. So we'll use a command like this, and which they have given the valid path. So once it is done, we will connect to the autonomous database. We provide the password for admin user. So we are now connected to the target database, which is our target autonomous database. Now we will generate the target properties file. Okay, since CPAT is integrated with SQL, it is a simple command like migrate advisor, and just specify the properties. And in case you want to have a prefix for your target, the output file, we can specify that also. So now you can see it has generated the target properties file in the existing directory. So the next step is we will use this target properties file, okay, and while generating the CPAT against our source database. So the first thing is we will connect to the source database. So we're connected to the source database, and then we can now generate the CPAT. Again, it is a single command where we specify the target type, which is ATPS, and the schema, and the properties file, which we just generated in the earlier step. Yes, as you can see, we have generated the output, and it has by default generated in HTML file as well as in JSON. And also it gives some summary about what all checks it has ran. So that's it. This is how easy to run CPAT using SQL command line. Good, we have completed 2 demos. In part 3, we will see how we can review the CPAT output and also the best practices around CPAT. Thank you for watching.